calculate the body mass index, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select BMI. The app is now ready to calculate the body mass index. It should be done on a hard flat surface. The participant should remove shoes, bulky clothing, hair ornaments and unbraid hair that could interfere with the measurement. Participants should stand with feet flat, together and back against the wall. Legs should be straight, arms at side and shoulders level. The participant should look straight ahead and the line of sight should be parallel to the floor. The height should be recorded in centimeter. The reading of the height should be typed in at the designated place on the screen. To measure the weight accurately, a digital scale should be used. The scale should be placed on floor. The reading of the weight should be typed in at the designated place on the screen. Once both the readings are entered in the app, scan the ID card of the participant by tapping on the scan option. Once the age and gender of the participant is updated, save the record by tapping on the save option. This completes the process to calculate the body mass index or BMI. To conduct the plate tapping test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select Coordination and then tap on the plate tapping option. The app is now ready for the plate tapping test. Two yellow discs of 20 cm diameter and one rectangular sheet of 30 by 20 cm size are needed to perform this test. The table height should be adjusted so that the subject is standing comfortably in front of the discs. The two yellow discs are placed with their centers 60 cm apart on the table. The rectangle is placed equidistant from both the discs. The participant is encouraged to stand in a balanced posture. The non-preferred hand is placed on the rectangle. The subject moves the preferred hand back and forth between the discs over the hand in the middle as quickly as possible. Once the participant starts this test, the start timer option should be tapped on the screen. This action is repeated for 25 full cycles. The total time taken to complete 25 full cycles is recorded. As the participant completes 25 full cycles of tapping, stop timer option should be tapped on the screen. The clock on the screen shows the time taken by the participant to complete 25 full cycles of plate tapping. To record the data, first scan the ID card of the student and then tap on the save option. This completes the plate tapping test. To conduct the Flamingo balance test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select Balance and then tap on the Flamingo balance test option. The app is now ready for the Flamingo balance test if required. The timer is started as the instructor lets go. To start the timer on the app, Start Timer should be tapped. The timer is stopped each time the athlete loses balance, either by falling off the beam or letting go the foot behind being held. To do that, pause timer should be tapped on the app each time the participant loses balance. Start the timer again when the participant is in the position. If there are more than 15 falls in first 30 seconds, the test is terminated. The number of falls or loss of balance in 60 seconds of balancing is counted and recorded. The timer automatically stops at the 60 seconds mark. The ID card of the participant is scanned by tapping on the scan option. Once the participant details are updated, the data is saved by tapping on the save option. This completes the Flamingo balance test.